Hari yang baru, kita nak pergi check bas tiket untuk ke Waji untuk esok lah. Tapi hari ni kita nak pergi mana?
Kita nak pergi Nara.
Nara ada apa?
Nara Park. Tengok
Bambi.
sang kancil Bambi.
So nantikan.
Tengok tu. You for ramen.
Jadi sekarang ni waktu lunch.
Kalau pergi saja 2,250. Lepas tu kalau masuk 300.
Lagi mahal.
Ini murah.
Beli sekalian. Yang ni dah dia punya timetable. So esok kat gate nombor 6.
Is it included with food and drinks? Or it's excluded?
Excluded.
Nijigen no mori PM606 OCAT.
Teman-teman. Sukses. Beli dengan sendirinya.
Itu admission ticket.
Tu untuk esok. Hari ni kita ada jumpa Bambi sat. Gina. You ambil yang hujung-hujung ni. Kuih. Seorang bawah. Kuih dia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Dia tak ada kata boleh sekali tu je. Tengok muka dia. Tak kisah ya apa janji dapat. Ikut dapat.
Babi.
Seekor pun dia tak dapat.
Aku habiskan berapa je? Apa RM4?
Yang ni pula. Dia geram kat sini pula.
Jack pula nak try.
Mana-mana pun tak apa. Kami belakang ni.
Muka dia. Nampak kita.
Cuba lah. Apa pun tak dapat.
Senang sangat.
Kalau dia naik beca tu tak dia tak tahu dah pergi mana. Sebenarnya beca ni kesian ni orang tarik tu. Memang ada offer lebih macam kesian lah. Kalau kita ni masing-masing meriah. Kembang aku dia jalan dulu dah. Jangan ikut aku, ikut dia. Aku.
Tak bersedia lagi.
Dua-dua ligan you. No. Aman, terang dia. Mana sini? Tu dia. Tu ada lagi bawah.
Okey, satu saja jom. Kita try tunduk kat dia. Tunduk balik tak? Tunduk kita bagi makan. Okay. Gitu. Aku dah tunduk. Mana dah? Macam ibu.
Okay, habis. Pi. Saya Nara. Lagu rumput je, lagu rumput. Lagu rumput. Main pungkuk aku pula. Hai. Kau tak ada ke? Aku nak juga. Garuk kepala saya sama.
Aku gatal lah. Tolong garuk kepala aku.
Garuk kepala aku.
Ada orang tengok lah. Jomlah kita belah.
Oh, dia marah lagi. Dia bawa kelab gigi dah.
Salmon, makarang, savory. Hai. Okay desu. Hai.
ありがとうございます。580円お預かりいたします。
すみません。
Inoha sushi.
Ada salmon dengan mackerel.
Kita try ni. Queue line.
淡路ステーション。こっちが、2ステーション。こっちは3ステーション。スタンプしたらゲット。こっちサブウェイは3スタンプ。で反響ラインは2スタンプ。で OK。こんな感じ。じゃあ2スタンプで OK。こっちは3スタンプ。
システム。
でここは。
ありがとうございます。
これが。
はい。
OK。
Oh, ada kata betul.
So kita akan jalan sampai kat bawah ni Tenjimbashi chome.
Nirwana.
Nyavana.
Nyanta Cruz.
Nyavana.
Ako ba? Angry.
Dah sampai dah Tenjimbashi. Lepas tu
Janganlah.
say what? Aku dah jumpa John Daub kat depan ni. Saya aku nak pergi gambar dengan dia. Dia YouTubers only in Japan.
Only in Japan.
Wow, there's just about 2 alleys that have been banned with photographs.
I see.
I always think it's okay to take photos a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's also watching it with your eyes and kind of enjoying it too. Sometimes we're looking at it through a screen, we miss the beauty of it with our own eyes.
We are actually book our Airbnb in Kyoto for 7 days. So, we don't know what to do.
It's fine. This Kyoto is very crowded. I found though, like, if you went to Fukui or some of the other areas around Kyoto, it's so much more relaxed and friendly. People of Kyoto, they're used to tourists, but not this many. It's never been this crowded. November is the highest of the high season. Most beautiful now because around the temples and the shrines, it's just incredible, the colors. The patience of the people is very short in Kyoto. That's why I like Fukui and Shiga and other prefectures on the other side. It's so much more relaxing. But Kyoto's good. Is it your first time?
Yeah, first time.
Then you have to go to Kyoto.
Alright. Ingat tu, John Daub dah bagi recommend.
That's right.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to Awaji Island.
spend a
Awaji.
day there.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But we're not gonna go one that you
Yeah.
Hello Kitty.
You don't have to. You don't have to go there. I was so curious about it because there's all these farm fields, and what's this in the middle of the farm fields, and why? And then I dug deeper. I'm like, there's a story here. Really good views of the bridge and good food. Very good onions. They say the best onions are in Awaji Island. I don't know if you like onions. Sweeter, a little bit sweeter, and onion burgers and things like this.
Wow.
It's gonna be good.
I can imagine.
So spend a day at Naruto Park.
You'll like that. It's kind of small, but it's nice because you can also relax just walking around the park.
Can we selfie?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Not about
I
selfie.
gotta get back to the hotel too. See you next time. Mata ne.